I was super excited when I got this because it's very rare. I'm not gonna say it's rare, but I had like in the past been like getting, W's on sneakers. I got a W on sneakers, so we got to talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Patra.pearson Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, and if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. And on this channel, I do create bonus content and post it, which is not on Thursday. So that's why you need to click the bell so you can be notified. So I talk about sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion because this is the place to be. Because I style the everyday girl to be fly. Like, duh, that's what we do here, okay? This review is just mind-blowing to me because first and foremost, I copped them on the sneakers app. What? Yes, ma'am. I copped them on the sneakers app, and your girl has just been feeling herself ever since, okay? And actually, this is a back-to-back win, okay? Like, sneakers. You know it's about to be Gemini season, so you just, you doing your thing, huh? I feel you. So, here is my box. I haven't even opened it. It literally came today. So we're just gonna get right into this video, y'all. I am excited about the wins that I have been getting on the sneakers app. I also tried to get these in black for my husband. Thank goodness I did not win that because he was just like, I'd rather have the white anyway. I could only get one white in one size. So yeah, I would have loved if they would have had this in my daughter's size, my toddler, because y'all know we be doing mommy and me things. However, that was not the case. Okay, y'all, look at this. So, it's giving Swiss cheese. It's giving Swiss cheese, okay? So, this is the box. I thought the box would be a little bit bigger. Ooh. So, this says 7.5. Women's 9. Okay. Ooh, I almost got. Whew. So, I thought the box would be a little bit bigger. However, I ain't mad. But let's get into the box. Right, Nike on the front with the red straight here on the side, on the next to it. Swiss cheese on the side. Y'all, I'm gonna keep saying Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese on the side. My husband was like, why you like them shoes with the holes in them? First and foremost, if y'all ain't know, I like blazers. Here, I got some, oh, wait, there. My daughters have a pair, my son has a pair, and my husband got like 3 pairs, so yeah. And then I definitely wanted a pair of sneakers with the Off-White brand. Y'all look at that. They say Off-White. Can y'all see that? As we know, the Off-White brand was created by Virgil, who passed earlier this year. And so rest in peace to him. And he's definitely a dope just creator and collaborator. So I definitely wanted to get some Off-Whites. And then I also love blazers. And I think this sneaker would be a great sneaker for the summer. So I've never seen them in hand. So I'm excited. Let's open. Oh, the paper's cute. The paper says off, and then it says Off-White, and then it has obviously replica symbol on it, a replicated symbol on it. Inside the box, it's just regular. I'm scared. Y'all, these is cute. It's definitely giving Swiss cheese SpongeBob, and I love it. I love it already. Straight out the box. Oh, let me open it up. Yes, baby. These are so pretty. I might cry. They so cute. It's definitely giving Swiss cheese SpongeBob, and I love every bit of it. I definitely had to get some. Yeah, do I got a SpongeBob shirt? I don't know. I definitely got to upgrade get some SpongeBob attire, but I'm definitely loving these. I'm loving every bit of these. Let's just get into the look. Let's get into the sole. And then let's just get to the front of the shoe. And then the bottoms. I'm just, okay, let's just get into it. Okay, so I like that it has the holes in it. I'm just going to be honest with you. It's given completely different than something I already have in my collection. So as I told y'all, when I started 2022, I'm going to get shoes that I want to get first and foremost. Second of all, I'm also going to get shoes that I do not have in my collection that I really, really want. So when I was able to cop these, baby girl, yes. So the toe panel has a hole in the toe panel. And then I also like the yellow shoestring that is, as you see, it's given, like, think outside the box. That's what it's given to me. And I like that. And I am a person of variety that is very unique. So I like to have the same thing, blazer, and then blazer. However, it has to be unique. These have the leopard print on them. Those are like a sesame color. Like I like for my sneakers to be unique. I don't have a whole bunch of the same yellow shoes. So that's yellow and black. This is yellow and blue. Okay, that's yellow and like it's gotta be unique. It's gotta be unique. It's gotta be set apart. So it also has the shoelaces, and on the ends of the shoelace, it says shoelace. But I dropped something. Oh wait, shoot. I can drop this. This is, let me see how they have it on this one. Oh, they don't have it on this one. Okay, so I need to put this back on there. I guess I should do that because I don't want it to be lost. And if I'm correct, that's the biggest part that makes this like off-white is this. Hold on, y'all. Okay. That's what sets the off-white apart, is this particular thing on all the off-white sneakers, okay? I like this kind of bolt. It's given, what is that thing used to be on back of cars? And I can't even think of the name of it, but it's definitely given speedboat. But I like this part of it. I did see somebody on YouTube, like, cut this part off. And then maybe I think either glue, like they cut it off. And I would not do that. I think this says a lot about the shoe. It says a lot about the shoe. Could they have created without this part? I don't think so. I think this is a unique part of the shoe. I love this part. My only, I guess, thought would be that I hope that, you know, people, obviously you don't look down when you walk. So people, you know, wouldn't walk up on you and then maybe press too hard and this part would fall off. So that's my only thought. But outside of that, I think it gives this shoe, like, it takes it up a notch. Because this is already dope with it being an off-white Nike blazer. However, I don't even think, did I read the label? Oh, y'all, I didn't even read the label. Did I? I did not. So this says blazer low 77, white university red, 7.5. in men's, 9 in women, and it's a suggested price $140, which I think is fairly reasonable. However, my other blazers didn't cost as much, I don't think, but this is off-white. And then we got the tongue here. The tongue says Nike with the Nike swoosh, and it says off. I didn't see this part. It says off-white for Nike blazer low, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1977. So that's actually pretty cool. And then the Nike sign goes, it stays connected to the Nike on the back all the way to the other side. Now, if you haven't watched my Nike blazer ready-made video, those are my husband's, you definitely will see like the Nike sign is kind of like hanging off a little bit. This would have been dope if they could have had this like over one of the, not even all the way over the one of the circles, but just over the one of the circles, just different look. However, it don't matter that they didn't do that. Like, I would have liked it anyway. I think these shoes are super cute. I love really cool socks, so that's why this will go so well with this, especially for the summer. This is a summer spring shoe, even a little bit of fall, okay? But you know, fall get a little windy. So this is a summer spring shoe. I'm super excited to style this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a styling of this sneaker. However, it's on my cranium. Okay. And then the sole, the insole has, on this one, it has the, you know, like the symbol of the face. And then on this one, it has the hand for the off-white. So we're going to crisscross so y'all can see them. Okay. I think this shoe is super dope. I actually like how the sole kind of gives like a worn look that adds, you know, some character to this shoe, as well as the holes. A lot of people haven't been very happy with, oh, why would you buy shoes with holes in them? The holes give character to this shoe. It does. And that's just what it is. The sole is a traditional blazer bottom. It does have little specks of like color in it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. Has little specks of color in it. However, I think this is a great shoe. This is a great pickup. And I didn't really hear a lot of talk about it. And I'm a big fan of blazers. So when I can cop them, I'm going to cop them. And that's just that on that. So here y'all going to see the on foot here. Tell me what y'all think. Your sneakers say a lot about you. That's why this sneaker is so dope, because of all the little bits of personality and character that they put in the shoe. And that's that on that, okay? I don't remember them doing an off-white blazer. However, this off-white blazer low was super dope. I actually wouldn't mind this in a high either. Well, you know. If you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. And you need to click the bell because I do drop bonus content. On this channel, I do sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion. Y'all know I style the everyday girl to be fly. Like, that's it. That's it, right? Y'all, I'm Patra.pearson Denise. And y'all be sweet.